Welcome back to the kitchen. We are going to make something really delicious, great for the holiday season. You know, we've got Thanksgiving, Christmas, all the holidays are in front of us now that we're past Thanksgiving. And I wanted to make something more appetizerous tonight because I'm going out to dinner. So I couldn't make my full dinner. My friends Liz and Mark are having a soft opening of their brand new restaurant, Clandestino, in Palm Springs. It's kind of upscale Mexican, and I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to be going over there. Hello, Carrie Anderson. But I wanted to make a little appetizer, and this is really terrific for the holidays. It's easy, and it really is just, it's one of these recipes where we're not really cooking. We're just going to be blending up some stuff. But what you will need, and I've got all the ingredients out, but the first thing, you're going to need 8 ounces of goat cheese. My wife will love this recipe because she loves goat cheese. Hey, Randy, we've got that. And then we're going to put in some delicious, hey, Bill Cinso, mascarpone cheese, nice creamy Italian cheese. So this is going to give it a really nice consistency. Hello, Jan. Nice chatting with you too. And I look forward to your event. And we are also going to put in some, I just did a few slices of prosciutto and cut them up. So I've got some prosciutto in there. Hello, Gidra. Nice to see you. One more cheese. We're going to put in some Parmesan cheese in there too. Some freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano. We're going to need a little white balsamic. And for this, I'm using Sicilian lemon white balsamic from my good friend Rick Impey over at All of a Sudden. I need to get over there and restock his Fulvio's cabinet. But you can get these great flavored balsamic and also olive oils. It's just fantastic stuff. Hello, Sandra. Nice to see you. You're also going to need, you can do dates, which are obviously plentiful out here in the Coachella Valley. I like to use figs. It's a little more Italian. And one of the things that I like to use is this. It is Dalmatia fig spread. And so you just put instead of chopping up figs, you get this, and it's also great on crackers. It's really good. So we're going to throw a little of that in there and a little garlic. Normally I dice up about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, blend this in, but I'm going to use my garlic paste tonight because it's just so much easier. And you'll need a little splash of olive oil, some zest of lemon to enhance that Tuscan lemon, Sicilian lemon balsamic. And there's the zest of lemon right there. Hello, Denise. And tonight, I'm having, with this a little recipe, I'm having a Black Manhattan, which is made with bourbon and Averna. Hey, Karen, how are you? Then the other thing you will need, oh, that's really good. You will need some toasted pine nuts. I've already toasted them up and crushed them up. I over toasted them just a little bit, but they'll still be okay. And I've also got some pistachios. So what we're going to do once we've made, hello Pamela, once we've made the cheese mixture and we roll it out, we're going to roll it in the nuts, and I over toasted my nuts. You won't hear people say that often. I use Jack Daniel's bourbon, a Gentleman Jack, as a matter of fact. And then you just roll the cheese. You roll out your truffles by hand, and then we're going to roll them in the nuts. You're going to place them on a cookie sheet, and we're going to cover them, throw them in the fridge. You need to chill them for about 2 hours. Overnight is fine. So that's what we're going to do. And so we're going to start. I'm going to bring you down here so you can see everything we're doing. All right, let's see if I can get you down here. There we go. All right. I've got my trusty food processor. So we're going to put the mascarpone in there. Oh, I love mascarpone cheese. It's just absolutely creamy, delicious, and it's the best. Scoop that out of there. I want to get all of it. This is an 8-ounce container. And you can use any brand you like. This is Belgioioso, which is always good. An American brand with an Italian name. I made a mess already. We'll clean it up, don't worry. This is also, again, it's nice and easy because you're just going to mess up your food processor and get your hands dirty while you're rolling them out. But that's about it. And then you throw it in the fridge and you chill them and they're ready to go. So, all right, there's our mascarpone. We got that in there, hi Colleen. And now I'm going to cut up the goat cheese like that. Again, my wife loves anything with goat cheese, so this is a recipe I know she will enjoy, and we will probably make it several times over the holiday season. I want to get all of that goat cheese goodness. And this is just plain goat cheese. We're going to season it with plenty of good things. Of course, they make goat cheese seasoned with garlic. They make goat cheese seasoned with other herbs. They make marinated goat cheese. I just opt to use the plain goat cheese. I think it'll, because we're going to flavor it with all of our other stuff. Hello, David Sauls. All right, got that. Now we're going to add in our lemon zest. Just put that in there like that. And to enhance the lemon zest, I'm going to use a tiny splash of this white balsamic that is seasoned with Tuscan lemons. Just a little bit. Put that in there like that. Okay, that's plenty. Now, I would say about 3 cloves of garlic chopped up, but I'm going to use my garlic paste. It's a little more intense, so I'm going to put a little squirt in there. There we go. That's our garlic. We're going to distribute these little, I've diced up the prosciutto nicely. Just going to spread that around. Get that in there. These, and all right, so Parmesan cheese. Hey, Frank. Thanks for tuning in. All right, we'll put that in there. I haven't seen my Roland and Dana, my in-laws, yet. I wonder if they're watching. Now, I'm also going to put a little dash of black pepper. Just a little. Give it a little bite. To enhance a little bit of the sweetness, I'm going to put a dollop of honey. Not much. Just a little bit. This is going to balance out with the balsamic. Just a little splash of honey. All right. And this delicious fig spread. So normally I would dice up a couple of figs and put in here. I want to be sure we don't get too crazy with our consistency, because you want to be able to still ball it up. So there we go. We got our fig spread. I'd say 2 tablespoons, not more than that. All right. I think I got all the ingredients in there. I hope I did. And now we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth and consistent. And then we're going to take it out, roll it into truffles, and coat them with our roasted pine nuts, or the also my, what did I say? The pistachios. All right, let's get that in there. All right, there we go. I'm missing my stopper for this. So this is not a very elegant way to keep stuff from coming out of it. So let's pulse it up. So it's nice and mixed up. Oh, you know what I forgot to put in here? Oh, my little, this thingy. All right. So we're just pulsing this down. There we go. And get that off the wall. Oh, it smells really good. There we go. Get that all mixed up. Blend it in. Beautiful. Beautiful consistency. Let's try a little taste, shall we? Hello, Michelle. All right, let's just try a little taste. Make sure we like it. All right, this is, everything's nicely blended in there. It's a good consistency. It's not dropping off the fork. Oh. So good. So good. Hello, David. Oh, that is really delicious. I'm going to tell you, you guys are going to love this. Use this knife. I don't want to lose any of this good stuff. So we got all of our ingredients blended in nicely. A little bit of honey with the balsamic just makes this sing. It's so good. Now, if you have a little trouble rolling it out, if it's a little too thin, which can happen, you can chill it for a little bit. Yes, Victoria, it's perfect party fare. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Been thinking about you, Victoria. And we still need to get together, Chef's Wives Club and Fulvio's, and do a little work together. I'm going to just, look, it's my kitchen. All right. But I'm going to be feeding these to other people, so I'm going to wash my hands. All right. Now, we got to roll those babies out. And again, I'm going to check the consistency here. I think we're going to be okay. If not, I'll chill it for a little bit. And hello, Steve Guerrero. Hope you're doing well, man. All right. Oh, look at this stuff. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, what I'm going to do, I want you guys to see a little bit of this. So I've got my cookie sheet here. I've got my dirty stuff. Let's put that over there. You can also, I didn't put in any this time around, but you can put a little, to help with the consistency, you can add just a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of olive oil if you like. It doesn't really alter the flavor, but it can help with your consistency if you need it. So all right, so what we're going to do is just take this out. Yeah, I might have to chill this a little bit. I'm going to see if I can roll one out for us. All right, just get it. It's a little soft, so I might have to chill this down before we can roll out. But we roll it out, and then we roll it in our, that'll work. Okay, all right. Not exactly a perfect round ball, but you get the idea. Hi, Diane. And then you just put that, and if you want to, this is a non-stick cookie sheet, I'd lay some parchment paper down here. That'll help you when you're taking them out to eat. So we rolled some. There's one with the pine nut. We'll do some in the pistachio here. And of course with the pistachio, it's great for the holidays. You get a little of that green color. So, oh, look at that. There you go. That's the truffle. As I said, not exactly as round as I would like. I'm gonna let this stuff firm up a little bit. We'll roll out another one. This isn't too bad. If you chill this for about 20, 30 minutes, you'll be able to roll it super easy. And of course, if you have plastic gloves, it makes it even easier. I didn't get any. So there we go. Rolled in the pine nuts. I'm just going to kind of alternate with that. And of course, when you're rolling it around and trying to shape it, of course, you're warming up the ingredients, the goat cheese, the mascarpone, which is soft anyway. And so you might need to just chill it a little bit before you do it. So there we go. I'm just going to, hold on one second, I'm going to rinse this off. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm rolling it out. I could just eat it with a spoon. It's that delicious. Hey, Mike, how are you doing? Okay, guys, got more work to do, but I'm gonna chill this mixture for a little bit so they roll into. Hello, Sandy Lonzaware. How are you, my dear? Haven't seen you in forever. Okay, these are gonna be terrific. Like I said, they're gonna be a little easier to roll out if I chill this for 20 or 30 minutes, which is what I'm going to do, and then I'll roll out the rest of them. But that is it, guys. You roll those out, you chill them, and again, you can chill them for a couple of hours to serve them, and they'll stay nice and firm for the party. Or you can, make them the day before and chill them overnight. So again, all you're doing is blending up these wonderful ingredients. The primary ingredient, of course, is that great goat cheese and the mascarpone. And then you add in the Parmesan. You get a little sweetness from the fig, a little honey. The balsamic gives it a balance. It gives it just a little bite. It's really good. And then I like to add the garlic, a little black pepper, and that lemon zest, which also kind of really just sets it apart. Really fantastic flavor. I think you guys will really enjoy this dish. I want to try it again because it's so good. Oh, Such a nice, cheesy, savory goodness with a little sweetness to it. And you get a little of the smokiness and the saltiness of the prosciutto in there. You guys are gonna love this. It's a great holiday recipe. I really recommend it. And I'll post a picture when they're all rolled out and covered. You dust them with the nuts, you roll them in the nuts, and then just chill them out. And then you can put them on a plate, put them out for the party, and everybody's going to enjoy them. Trust me, it's going to be a great appetizer for your next dinner party or for your holiday parties. Try it out. Also, I'm wearing my live stream apron. We have a gala coming up on November the 12th. You can go to lstream.org if you want to join us. Hello, Ron Salona. Ron is all over the world, and I'm really just appreciative that you stopped by and joined us for a little tasty treat in the kitchen. Go to lstream.org, sign up to give blood if you're eligible, and sign up to come to our Thanks for Giving Gala on November the 12th. It's going to be fantastic, and Taylor Dane is performing. So I want you guys to come out and enjoy that. And if you're free on Friday the 11th, come join us for the Vimy Awards. That is going to be taking place. Okay, Sandra, yes, I actually just put them, they're roasted or toasted, and then I break them up with the meat mallet, just to kind of crunch them up and get a kind of a fine, I still want them a little chunky in there. Hello, Hunter Wiley. But Vimy Awards, you can go to Coachella Valley Volunteer, cvvim.org, and join us for that. I'm emceeing that event. We got a great live auction. It'll knock your socks off. So if you're available, that's coming up in just a couple of weeks, less than a couple of weeks. So join us for any of those. We'd love to see you in person. And I'll be auctioning off at both events. I will be auctioning off a Fulvio's Italian sausage dinner. So that's a 5-course Italian dinner that we come and make in your home. So we auction that off. The charity gets the money. I donate the food, and I come and serve it up for you. So it's always a lot of fun. So again, that's cvvim.org for the Vimy Awards on Friday the 11th, and it is lstream.org for the Thanks for Giving Gala on the 12th. Thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen. Make these Tuscan cheese truffles. You're going to love them, and they're just a great way to start any party. Great for New Year's Eve, just to put them out, and nice nibbles. Always good. All right, gang, thanks for stopping by. Have a great rest of your evening. I'll give you a full report on Clandestino. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Victoria, thank you. Great to see all of you, and we'll see you again here next week with another great recipe. We were heading toward Thanksgiving, so we're going to have to start thinking about stuffing and some other great dishes. All right, guys. Have a great evening. Have a great rest of your week.